Hi, welcome to PSKEY system. I'd like to show visible light communication to you guys. As you can hear, there is a music. You can listen to this music, but this is not the music player. Actually, we have a music player up here. This is the MP3 player, and there is a light, and this is the receiving device, and this is the speaker. So MP3 player plays the music through the light, and it receives the audio file and plays the music here. So if I block the light, no more music. Block the light, no more music. So, and also not only audio file, we can communicate data file. And this one, we have 3 different lamps up here. Each lamp, we preloaded different data information. So first one, we have Lay's potato chip that inside the lamps we preloaded data information. And the second one, we preloaded M&M. And the third one, we preloaded the map information. So each lamp has the data information, and that can be transmitted through this camera of iPad. This is just regular camera of iPad, and simple demonstration for this. And another demonstration we can show you is that the movie file, audio file, data file, and I can show you how we transfer the movie file. And as you can see, you can watch a movie from this computer, but this movie file is actually stored in this computer. So through the light, the movie file data transmits from here to there, and this computer plays this movie file. So exactly, if I block the light, then as you can see, the movie screen just froze. And because there is no data communication between these 2 devices. This is basically what visible light communication is. So what we are going to do with this visible light communication, I can explain the applications to you. Of course, as I showed you, there is a machine-to-machine communication and between these devices. And there is another application is location-based service, LBS. I'll explain this later. And other applications like this. And when you go outside Las Vegas Strip or Manhattan in New York, there are so many big screen displays. And actually, there are many big screen displays, but you cannot hear any sound because there are so many. You cannot get any data from this screen at this point. But if they integrate our technology into this screen, and then actually they can send out not only the image, but also the data information and also audio file. So for example, in Las Vegas, there are so many shows from many different hotels, and one hotel is promoting Jubilee show from Bally's. When you drive by, you can see big image from the screen of Jubilee show, but you don't know what time the show is, and you don't know how much it's gonna cost, and you cannot make any reservation at that point. But if they integrate our technology, then they can get the data, and they can only also listen to the music. What you need to do is just take out your iPhone and connect your headphone to the iPhone and put it in your head and face the camera to the big screen. Then you receive the audio file, so actually you can hear the background music of Jubilee show. At the same time, if you look at the screen of iPhone, then you can have other information. The Jubilee show tonight is 9 o'clock p.m. and it is, discount price for you is $75. And do you like make a reservation? Then if you want to, you can make a reservation right at that point. There's huge advantage for the advertisers. And also similar application is for this home theater. If you have home theater at home, then you watch movie. For example, you wanna watch movie Lord of the Rings. But a content provider, if they want to send out the data through the movie, then they just need to integrate our technology. Then actually they can send out movie information, background is information, who's the director, who's the actor, actress, or any other information the content provide. They can provide to the movie file. So at the same time, there is a wireless speaker and VLC wireless speaker. So since the content provider also send out audio file together with movie file, as long as there is a line of sight and the speaker can receive the audio file through our VLC technology, and then it can be a wireless speaker. And another application for this is if content provider and advertisers wants to send out advertising, commercial advertising to other devices at home. And many people, they don't want to watch commercial during the show, during the movie, because they don't like interruption. So if they agree after the movie, they agree to complete the survey or watch all other commercials, then actually the content provider, they send out movie without commercial, at the same time send out advertising data to the devices at home. Then the people who watch this movie just fill out all data information, like complete the survey or give the feedback back to the content provider. Then the advertising is gonna be done by that way, so everybody can be happy. People is happy because they don't need to watch commercial, and content provider, they make money through the advertising. Advertisers, they got feedback, and they are sure that people watch the movie, and also people watch the commercial after the show. So that's another application. And obviously, home networking, wireless home networking is achievable. As long as you have internet at your home, then through the power line, you can have the wireless networking. Only thing you need to do is to replace the bulb, the current existing bulb with our technology bulb. Then the internet through the power line and through our bulb, then you can have a wireless networking. And one big application I wanted to explain is the location-based service. When you drive a car outside the building, you have a GPS available to you. So you get the direction from GPS. But once you get inside the building, the GPS is no longer available.
Okay.
So if the building owner installs this our technology board and install the VLC communication technology inside the building, then actually you can have an indoor GPS. You can have a meter by meter direction from our technology. And if you go to shopping mall, you like to find the candy store. Then if that shopping mall has our technology, and then you just go under the light and type the candy store, then it's gonna give you the map of the shopping mall. At the same time, it can give you the meter by meter direction to the candy store. And once you arrive to the candy store, if candy store owner wants to pop up the coupon or some other information, then your device, either iPad or iPhone or other smart device, then you can pop up the other discount coupon or some other information through our technology board, VLC. So this is basically the explanation of visible light communication VLC from PSKEY system. Thank you.